Hello guys, beautiful day. Hello to my medyo makalat na buhok. I have shared to you this product, the Bremod Moroccan Argan Oil Intense Moisturizing Treatment. So as you can see, ubos ko na siya. And merong bago si Bremod, or siguro bago lang sa akin kasi ngayon ko pa lang siya gagamitin. Actually, the other day ginamit ko na siya. So this is my third time to use this one. Premium series. Diba merong shampoo tsaka conditioner na premium series din. So, this one naman is the oil version. Pareho silang hair oil with this one, but this one is not Moroccan Argan Oil. This is cacao butter and camellia seed oil. Ayan. Mas gusto ko to guys kaysa dito because this one hindi ganun kalagkit. This one medyo malagkit. Medyo oily talaga siya sa kamay. Hindi mabilis mawala sa kamay. With these two products can be applied after taking a bath, when the hair is slightly dry or medyo damp, pwede naman. But mas nakita kong mas okay siyang i-apply pag dry na talaga yung hair. At lalo na kapag ipa-plancha mo siya. This is not a heat protectant oil, but okay siya when styling your hair. Kasi mas natitame mo yung hair mo, mas manageable kung baga yung hair. Tapos ang ginagawa ko, pa konti-konti lang. As you can see, medyo runny na rin siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-oily talaga ang consistency. May pagka-liquid. As you can see, mas magandang plansyahin ang buhok with this one. Mas mabilis ba? Ayan. Parang a yellow or amber yung color ng oil. With this one, white lang talaga siya. Ayan, white lang. So, balikan ko kayo when I'm done ironing my hair. Ayan. Ayan. Shiny and manageable, but not too oily. Ayan. Dagdagan ko konti.